Pieter Jan here in the Eskort Kitchen, and we are still on the ragu party. We are going to make a beautiful pumpkin salad with our ragu. So there's something about a sweet taste, like the pumpkin that we've got here, beautiful little pumpkin, and the tomato that we've got in the ragu that just complements each other for centuries now. So we are going to ride on the old traditional tomato pumpkin pulled pork situation. Okay, so for the pumpkin part of the pumpkin salad, we are going to just slice our pumpkin. I don't peel pumpkins, and we also don't remove the pips. We'll sort the pips out later. Okay, so pumpkin onto a baking tray. Just line it with baking paper. If you don't have baking paper, just put some olive oil. Okay, olive oil on top. It's just going to help the pumpkin to roast nicely. There we go. Then we add some chili flakes. We want some heat with this, and it looks very nice on top of the pumpkin. Some chili flakes. We've got some cumin. Beautiful flavor. Then we just do some coarse salt with a spoon apparently, and then some black pepper. And then we just do some thyme. I'm not going to chop this, I'm just going to crush it and put it over. Time after time. It's our song of the day as well, so while you listen, stream some music. So let's say 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so the pumpkin is out of the oven. I've got a pan running here. We just needed to heat up a little bit. I'm going to fry some seeds. Pumpkin seeds, sunflower, sesame and sesame. Just a little bit of olive oil. Usually we fry seeds in a dry pan. I wanted to pop a little bit. So just let them do their thing. Then we've got our ragu, and we've got, I just keep it in the fridge for this salad. I prefer to be cold. And then we just got some salad greens over here. Whatever leaves you've got in your fridge you can use. That's it, there we go. It's telling you when it's ready to come out of the oven, out of the pan. So I've got some watercress and baby spinach mixed with some rocket over here. The pumpkin I'm going to serve with the seeds. It's there for us to eat anyway, if you've got it here or if you've got it there. Doesn't matter. Just some seeds on top of your salad. And then for the sauce and for the protein, extra protein, we've got our beautiful ragu over here. This one is getting some extra tomato. There you go. Okay. Done. What else can I say? There's really someone there. It just looks as if I'm playing with these people here. Thank you guys. Enjoy.